to you.
So today we are going to learn about that is Microsoft Word, about creating a Word document. So our learning outcome will be creating a Word document. Also, we look into saving a document. And maybe before we continue, in the last lesson, we looked at the Microsoft Word where we define a word, a document. So maybe I will ask Protas if you can remind us what is a document. Protas, if you are getting me.
I'm getting you.
Yes,
Come again.
Remind us what is a document.
I have a very weak signal strength here, so
Yeah.
I'm not getting you clear.
It's okay. So maybe by going faster because of time, a document is is any word is any typed word in a word or in a when you open a Microsoft Word, anything that you've typed, that is what you call a document. And now we also we looked at how we can start our document, and these are a number of procedures we can start a Microsoft Word. And we say that the first method, if you want to start a Microsoft Word, you say that we click at the start button. The start button is always there at the bottom left of the machine. Whereby you click down here, the way you can see my cursor. Then you point at all program. All program. If you are using a Windows XP, then you click at Microsoft Word from the main programs. Also, we have a method too, of which you can click. You can create a Word document whereby you click on the Microsoft Word icon on the Microsoft Office shortcut bar, if it is displayed on your desktop. Then we can go to now. We talked about the creating a Word document, and we say that a document is anything that you create with an application. That is what we call a document. When you open a Microsoft Word and you type anything, any information that a Microsoft Word, that is what we call a document. Then we have a definition there whereby creating a document just means typing a text in a new screen document. Now we have what we call creating a new blank document. So in case when you are working on a Microsoft Word or a document and you want to create another Word document, there's a procedure we can come up with that Word document, whereby we say that the first method is that you can click on a new blank document button on the standard toolbar, or you can press Ctrl+N. Then it will open another Word document. You look at the method 2, whereby you can say on the file menu. On the file menu, is always at the top left of your screen, whereby it's written file. You click at the file there. Then you go to new. We go to new, whereby now you can choose a blank presentation, or a blank. You can create a document. That is the procedure we can come up with a new document. So a bit ago, I returned back to where I was. Share screen. exit. Let me exit here first. Exit. So do you say that how you can create a document, and also now we are going to see uh, how we can save a document. And also there's a number of procedures where we can save a document, and maybe I will ask if one of us, you can tell us what are the purpose of saving a document? Why do we save a document? If any one of us can tell us the purpose of saving a document before we can proceed on a procedure or the methods of how to save a document. Kindly, please, you can lift your hands. Yes. I'm waiting for your answers, kindly.
So basically, the main function of saving a document
Yes.
is so that you can later retrieve or what we call the future referencing.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Kimani. There's somebody who is asleep in the hand. Who is that? We have Protas. Protas, kindly.
Okay, the procedure of saving a document,
Yes.
if you are saving a document for the first time,
Yes.
after typing, you will go to file,
Yes.
then you go to save as, because it is the first time.
Yes.
You go to save as. Now the computer will take you to the location you want to save.
Yes.
Then select on the location, then click save.
Yes.
And if it is an existing document in the computer,
Yes.
you can use a shortcut Control S,
Yes.
or you can just go to file, then click on save.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. Those are the procedures you've given us. Those are two, and the way you said, you can when you want to save a document, you go to the file up there. You click at the file. Then, if you are saving for the first time, you can click. You click save as. Then you type there the file name. You can type the name of the file. Then you click save. And but all you are saving for the second time, you had already saved the document and you want to you made some changes and you want to save again. You just click on the save from the file menu. Then you click save, and those are the procedures of saving uh, a document, isn't it? So now from what we've learned today, I would like now as somebody to remind us from the lesson what we've covered, to remind us what you've gained or what have you learned from the lesson of today. Kindly, in a minute. Yes. You have Madam Nanza has raised the hand.
So what I've learned today is about the procedure
Yes.
of saving a document and also the procedure for creating the document.
Yes. Thank you, Madam Nanza. You can lower now your hands down. Any input?
Can I put in something, sir?
Yes.
I have learned that that we normally create and save documents for future references. Yes.
Thank you. Yeah, we save document for future references. Or if at all you want to use it in future, it is good now you save in that we can come back and retrieve the what you want from the file, then you use it. So those are things that we've learned today. We've understood how we can create a document and work with a document, then how we can save it. And also we've looked at the importance or the purposes of what saving documents. So those are things that we've looked at, and coming next now we'll be looking at the practical area of how we can save our documents now using our computers. Thank you. Let us meet in the next lesson. Thank you.